Welcome to the Sugar Connect Scheduler landing pages for Outlook users video. In this video, we'll walk through how to use Sugar Connect's built-in scheduling system to create landing pages that present multiple event types, so people can choose what works best for them while also respecting your schedule. You can create multiple landing pages tailored to your specific needs, your role, or even the people you're collaborating with. For instance, a landing page for someone in a sales role might include several meeting options for product demonstrations of varying lengths, like 15, 30, or 60 minutes. Each option could even feature one of your colleagues, such as a pre-sales engineer who supports your demo calls. Sending your prospect a link to this landing page allows them to choose the meeting type that best fits their needs while considering both your and your colleagues' availability. We'll walk through an example using Maria Thompson, a fictive sales consultant at the fictional company Nimbus Cloud. Maria wants to make it easy for potential clients to book time with her directly from her email signature. Create a landing page. In the Sugar Connect portal, navigate to the Scheduler page and click the Add Landing Page button. Fill out the landing page form. Landing page template. We'll create a template later, so leave this field empty for now. Landing page name. Name the page Sales Consultation Maria, so it's easy to find in the list view. Full name, Maria Thompson. Job title, Sales Consultant. Phone number, email address. Set the unique URL ID. This is the part of the link that follows your tenant domain. She can share this link in her email signature or through a call to action button. Add a description. In the description field, book a 30-minute meeting with Maria to learn how Nimbus Cloud can help your team. This gives useful context to visitors before they select a meeting. Select event types. She selects 30-minute sales consultation. A landing page must have at least one event type selected. Once everything is complete, preview the landing page to see how it will appear to others, then click Save. And that's it. Maria's landing page is now ready to go. With just a few fields and clicks, she's made it easier for prospects to book meetings on her terms. She can reuse or duplicate this page for other products, roles, or teammates. In the landing pages list view, you can perform several actions. Click the link icon to open the landing page in a new tab. Use Copy Landing Page to duplicate and customize an existing page. Select Copy Landing Page Link to share the page via email or embed it in your signature. Click the Edit icon to update an existing page or the Delete icon to remove one you no longer need. As promised, we will now proceed with creating a landing page template. This allows you to customize the look and feel of each landing page to better align with your company's theme or personal preferences. From the template design page, you can upload a logo and banner, change background colors, customize fonts, and more. Start on the Scheduler page and click Add Template in the Landing Page Templates section. The layout switcher is located at the top of the template customization screen. Clicking the different icons lets you preview what the template will look like on a desktop, tablet, or mobile phone. Here are the available options for customizing a landing page template. Please note that the template properties section may look different depending on whether you are a regular user or a Sugar Connect administrator. First, give your template a unique name that can be easily identified when managing your landing pages. As a Sugar Connect admin, you'll have the option to make this template public or set it as the default template. Next is the branding section, where you can choose a font from the drop-down list and upload a logo or banner. The Details section contains 5 customizable fields. The full name and company name field controls the appearance of your name and the company's name. The Information field controls the appearance of your job title, phone number, email address, and landing page description. For all of these, you can modify the text size, alignment, and color. The Background color setting controls the background color of the panel containing your picture, name, company name, and contact details. The link color setting allows you to change the color of the phone number and email address links. In the Events section, you can update the header text, such as the label Select Appointment. You can also edit the event title and description. The text, color, corners, and size of the button can be customized as well. Be sure to click Save at the top right of the page after making your selections. You'll return to the Scheduler page, where your recently created template will now appear in the list view. By accessing the three dots menu, you can set the template as the default for all new landing pages. If you're an admin user, you can also mark it as public so that your SugarConnect users can select from shared templates. You also have the option to edit or delete the template at any time. To use this template, go back to the landing page section and select it in the landing page template field when creating a new landing page. Then, continue filling in all the other required information. When your landing page is ready, click Copy Landing Page Link. Just like with any other event type, you can share this link in a message or embed it in your email signature. When someone clicks the link, they are directed to your landing page, where they can select a time that works best for them, while respecting your availability. I hope you now have a clear understanding of how to use landing pages and create templates so that prospects, partners, customers, and coworkers can easily schedule meetings, customized to reflect your company's branding and scheduling needs. Thank you for watching this video.